Meaning of hollyhock.
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 Hollyhock. Hollyhock refers to a tall flowering plant that is often grown in gardens for its attractive appearance. The name hollyhock is derived from the Old English words holly and hock, which mean holy mallow. Hollyhocks can reach heights of up to 6 feet and produce large, colorful flowers in shades of pink, red, white, yellow, and purple. The flowers bloom in summer and are attractive to bees and butterflies. Hollyhocks have traditionally been used in herbal medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including coughs and sore throats.